Welcome dear students in class 9 Introduction to Financial Markets. This is the video number 6 and chapter 2 Money Exchange System. Here are the some of the question of back exercise. First one is the write short notes on trade. Explain. Trade simply means the buying and selling of goods and services between businesses or countries. It helps in satisfying needs and promotes economic development, economic growth. Trade can be internal and external. Trade increases specialization, improves efficiency, and raises living standard of then skill, efficiency, training, knowledge that will increase the trade. Number two, describe briefly about division of labor. Explain. So division of labor means breaking work into smaller tasks and assigning them to different workers. Its main sources are and its main reasons are increase in efficiency, saving of time, use of machines, large scale production, and any other you can, if you would like to write, you can write any other. Increase in efficiency, effectiveness, productivity, there are many more. Then next, what is commodity money? It means money that has intrinsic value, means जैसे जिसको बेच के हमें रुपया मिल सके. Meaning it can be used for its own worth as well as for exchange. For example, gold, silver, diamond, salt, cattle, etc. Wooden part also. So commodity money has value even it is not used as a money. So we remember this is very important. Sometimes it may come in the form of intrinsic value. Then now next, describe briefly about money used in India. In India, different forms of money are used: paper money, coins, bank money, check, ATM, draft, digital money, UPI, like that. So there are also forms of money: fiat money, fiduciary money, full body money, and credit money, which will be discussed in the senior classes, not over here. Now next, explain the bartering and commodity money. It is the exchange of goods and services without using money, as a wheat exchange for cloth or any other things. So problem underwater system, there is a lack of double coincidence of wants, no common measure of value, difficulty in storage, etc. Commodity money, you can explain from question number 3 as discussed earlier. So here a question, different currencies of the world. So some of the currencies are written, rest you have to write at least 10 currencies of the world countries. So India, Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, United Kingdom, USA. So Indian currency is rupee, you must know. Then Argentina peso, Australia, Australian dollar, Canada, Canadian dollar, USA dollar, Brazil, Brazilian real. Then China, Chinese yuan, France, euro, Germany, euro, United Kingdom, British pound. So some of the currencies you have to think, and rest you have to write. For example, Nepal, Bhutan, Afghanistan, and other 10 more countries. So that you must be aware of that. Japan and other many more. Then some of the abbreviation we remember, sometimes it may come in the examination. BC, before Christ. AD, Anno Domini, that will be explained later on. So this is the last video of this chapter. Please write in your notebook and also like, share and comment. Thank you very much.